Your expertise holds immense value in today's digital economy, ready to be transformed into profit. With Thinkific, the challenges of creating online courses fade away, revealing endless possibilities for creators. Once dull and boring, online learning has evolved to demand engaging and interactive experiences. Thinkific empowers you to focus on valuable content while handling marketing and tech seamlessly. What began as a simple platform has expanded into a thriving knowledge commerce ecosystem. Beyond just courses, Thinkific enables the creation of digital downloads, coaching, and community spaces. Imagine building comprehensive academies with quizzes, certificates, and a plethora of multimedia content. Thinkific's structured flexibility lets you nurture your students' learning paths with effortless customization. Establish vibrant communities where your students collaborate, support, and grow together in their learning journey. Grow your expertise into coaching, webinars, or memberships. Monetization options abundant on Thinkific. Seamless payment solutions mean you will have more time for creativity instead of administrative headaches. Thinkific's AI features help boost your content creation and streamline marketing efficiently. Generate course outlines and engage students with optimized email campaigns and targeted offers using AI. Flexible pricing options empower you to maximize revenue while maintaining complete control over transactions. Easily create engaging sales pages that convert curious visitors into loyal customers without coding skills. With integrations spanning from CRM systems to podcast platforms, Thinkific connects you with the tools you trust. Against competitors, Thinkific stands strong due to its remarkable community features and straightforward pricing. Success stories abound, showcasing the journey from passionate educators to thriving businesses using Thinkific. Develop your minimum viable course and leverage community resources for guidance on your learning journey. Are you ready to unlock the potential of your knowledge? Discover what Thinkific can do for you today.